Welcome to Glomacht, where industry meets integrity and innovation meets support. Producers, manufacturers, dealers, and suppliers worldwide, you understand the heart of industry beats in the rhythm of machines. Reliable, efficient, and precise, this is what separates a capable machine from an excellent one. That's where the Holzher Cut 6120 comes into play. A panel saw that brings quality and precision together. Whether you're streamlining production, optimizing workflows, or ensuring the highest quality cuts, the Holzher Cut 6120 delivers in all aspects. With a legacy of proven performance and decades of service in industries worldwide, the Holzher range has always been synonymous with excellence. The Cut 6120 continues this trend, merging tradition with tech. Opting for a used Holzher Cut 6120 doesn't mean compromising on quality and performance. It means accessibility, affordability, and sustainability, all without losing the touch of excellence you expect. Let's dig deeper. The Holzher Cut 6120 offers technical prowess wrapped in a compact design with 4,300 mm cutting length, rotary performance at 4,070 revolutions per minute and 11 kilowatts motor power. At Glomacht, we stand by these machines. Each used Holzher Cut 6120 we source is rigorously tested and verified to ensure it delivers the same level of performance you'd demand from a new machine. Embrace efficiency, affordability, and sustainability with Glomacht. To learn more about the Holzher Cut 6120 and our range of used machinery, visit our website or contact us today. Glomacht, where the industry meets integrity and innovation meets support. Thank you for watching.